Your vehicle is equipped with up to 2 USB ports located below the heater and air conditioner controls. Plug a compatible USB device into the port to play compressed audio files stored on the device. Press this button and touch the icon to select the audio mode. If compatible, the battery of your device will charge while connected to the vehicle. Your vehicle may also be equipped with a separate USB charging port located on the rear of the center console. This port is used for charging devices through a USB connection and does not interface with the vehicle's audio system. Please see your Nissan Connect Owner's Manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.